In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an effect into an existing video with Magnific AI Desktop. First, open Magnific. If you're using a browser, head to the Magnific app and let your workspace load. On the left-hand side, click Projects. This area keeps your work organized, so it's the quickest path to the footage you want to update without digging through multiple timelines. Next, select All Assets. Think of this as your complete media library across projects. From here, locate the video you want to modify and click it to open. If you manage a lot of files, scan the thumbnails and file names to make sure you've got the correct clip before moving on. With the video open, switch to the Edit tab. This is your creative control center for visual changes. Inside Edit, choose Stylize. Stylize focuses on the look and mood of your footage, so it's ideal for enhancements that change style rather than structure. Then, click Effects. Effects are curated visual treatments that can transform your clip's tone, cinematic, vibrant, moody, or stylized without needing complex manual adjustments. Browse the available options, then choose the effect you want and click it. Take a moment to consider how it complements your footage. For example, a clean, contrasty effect can sharpen product shots, while a softer, film-like treatment can add warmth to lifestyle scenes. Many effects are designed to look great immediately, helping you move fast while staying consistent across multiple clips. Finally, click Apply Effect. Magnific will process your video and apply the chosen look. Processing time varies based on clip length and resolution, so let it finish before reviewing. When it's done, play back the result to confirm it matches your creative intent. If it's not quite right, simply return to Effects to try an alternative until you're satisfied. That's all there is to it. You've inserted an effect into an existing video using Magnific AI Desktop, quickly turning a standard clip into something more polished and expressive.